But I felt like Money Up wasn't the song that is going to put me through the door.
Okay.
So I want another provocative song.
Here comes I Wish. Okay. Listen, this one seems like, when in your mind, when you're breaking up with somebody, okay, I wish you the best of luck and all this stuff there. But in your mind, I wish something would lick you down.
You know, hear what I tell you, say? So the rhythm is here. I find the song.
Yeah.
I wish when you drive out, your car broke down,
Mm-hmm.
Call my wife. Babes, come here.
Yeah.
Remember, my wife never like Money Up neither, you know. So hear this, you know.
Okay.
All the songs them are through this time, my wife like nothing happen for them. Boom, my wife not like Money Up. It get a significant buzz. Say, no, I call her, babes, come here, I'm find the next thing, come here.
Yeah.
She run, come on, I go, so. First verse alone, me have this time.
Yeah.
And the hook, you can call me bitter if you want. Second verse, no make it. Hear this. Tell me if me not answer something, baby. She give me a thing there. Me not like it. Me not like that. Me not like that. That sound awful. You sound bitter. So I say, yes, I say. So I try to say, you hear me say it in the hook. Me say, yo, you can call me bitter. Me not business. It sound like you have things against woman. Me not like how you sound. First, you say woman have to pay you. For you and them sleep together. Now you tell themselves them. It sound like you have something against woman. Muscle all the day I think about this. You know, so I answer something.
Yeah. You understand.
The response from her was so strong that me I say, that is, I hope when me drop that song here, that is the reaction me get. Now my voice, my song, did not have, I'm like, I said, no, something is missing.
Yeah.
I don't want to make it sound. So what? Call my friend, which is a selector, S-Class, that plays Poison that song.
Yes.
Say, S-Class, boy, you do something for me. Me have a little thing. Just say this for me. Because I left you and gear send out the voice note what I want her to say.
Okay.
Because I say, if I put an intro on it, it will more paint the picture of what I am getting. Because I don't want to just jump out. But wish when you drive out, like, you're so bitter. What are you bitter about?
Yeah.
So now I'm going to put an intro to tell you why I'm bitter. Remember, she never make certain say the intro did not say, well, we're not working out and we kind of grow apart, so I as well we go with separate ways. Wish me all the best. I not say that. I make certain say, me tell her in the voice note, specifically say, so show me I left you for another man. Make certain say you put that. And at the end of it, more you say, you can't do that.
Yeah.
Make certain I tell her, and she did it exactly like how my vision said that's how I want it. That's when she said it come, all I had to do was just drop it right at the intro. It fit perfect. So by the time he said, so you can't do that? No. But wish when you boom, all hell break loose. I remember that very day.
Yeah.
It was a Thursday. Shawnee B called me and said to me, say, send me the Money Up song. Because I'm say, all right, but yeah, you know, I have a new song. One more hear it. I'm coming to my studio and play it. And he goes, send me that. Nobody have it yet. I say, no, nobody have it yet. You the first. I just done mix it now. I go bounce it. And I say, send it, come give me. Send it, come give me. Take me about, because you know, I go bounce and think. Me noticing call me back. Yo, me not see it. Send it, come. But I try to forget on the radio now. Send it. So I said to myself, Shawnee B called me 3 times. In no time. I answer something. Boom. By the time I send it, go give him and play it immediately on BBC. That very day while him played on BBC, Liquid is in Jamaica playing it on Zip. Because I sent it to these 2 people, and then by the time them play it, my phone just blew up. Everybody, I mean, they hesitate. From me see the feedback from the DJs.
Yeah.
Because me have some friends on my WhatsApp. I send music to in a muscle. More time we send them a song. I know that encouragement all of food up on my, you're going to give me a fire. Mad, my general, mad. Yeah, man, keep pushing me, G. Yeah. Because they are trying to encourage you to keep going. Not that this is it.
Yeah.
The day when we send them Money Up, I am getting phone calls instead of text. So I know say something was different, right? So you see when me go, how this sound, my general, boom, and send them I wish in my text message. All me can hear back on WhatsApp. Competition for tell me say, this is it. So by me send it out on WhatsApp, them start sending it to other people start. So before the day for end, Muscle is like a viral song within the WhatsApp world. And tomorrow,
in
one day, by tomorrow, I did this a Thursday. By Friday, I start vicing dub plates at $300 a pop. And I'm vicing like $5, $6, $7. I remember this, no come out, no do not yet, just WhatsApp. So I'm like, oh my, man, onto something, you know. So now I start saying, I have to release this immediately.
Yeah.
So I released it like 4 days later. I scheduled it to release quick, everything happened, and then boom. It went on TikTok, and these people over TikTok take it up and just, it's like a whole new world over TikTok. Me a trend, man. I find out somebody me a trending over there. I have much thousands of videos over there where people
on TikTok.
Yeah, man, thousands of videos. They got TikTok right now and put in Badda General. Thousands of I wish. People take it and make their own videos off it and do their own duet. And people with phone at ears. So you just no, I wish when you drive crazy people.
Yeah.
So with that, we just realize, you know what? Video. And now here we are. And the great entertainment report Canada. Wow.
Listen, when I first heard that song, I said, this is crazy. This, just the whole concept and what you were saying, I said, I've never heard this on a record one day ever. This is the opposite of what you will hear. Your presentation, the monotonish type of sound, the very clear in what you were saying, you could hear every word because it wasn't too fast. I said, okay, this is monstrous here.
And that was the plan, Muscle. That me I said, okay, I want to sound serious, but in the same time, humorous.
Yeah.
I want to sound petty. Everything when you hear, all right. When me tell us I call my wife and my wife said she hated it. She don't like it. My wife is from Jamaica. So I like I know Yankee. She said she don't like it.
Yeah.
Then you know, so me do a thing name. She said, what, so why you couldn't just do a song that is wishing her all the best? As she step out of my studio, see my microphone at the far from me, brother.
Got you.
And my microphone this. So me just turn around to my microphone like this and just put on my headphone and go, me not go wish you about all the best. Me wish you up your headache and so me I tell you, say, it's like a whole story out behind it. Me wish you choke one piece of bread. Although me wish you choke, me no wish you dead. Cause me I say, all right, me no want them seem like I'm trying to incite violence or incite death. So even though me say me wish you choke, me make certain say right after that, me say, although me wish you choke, me no wish you dead. Me want you live till you're old and miserable.
Yeah.
And when you eat the sardine when I buy and left, whole heap of little red bum pop up on your chest. Some petty things. Me steam me fish them when I left, me hope them spoil. Me wish the jelly when I left, me run your belly, me chat something.
Crazy.
Because then who says that? Who would have said that in a song?
No, nobody.
That is not the popular thing to say. Just like we say, my girl, if you want me to rub your belly, you have to give me money. That's not the popular thing to say.
No.
So I am going against everything that you would know and I would know as the right things to say.
Yeah.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinesmusichut.com.